This is Mark. Mark put me up last night. We just drove in from Rhode Island. He drove, I napped. We're back at FPV Direct's headquarters for another day of racing here. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Yeah. What's going on? What's up, dude?
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
There he is.
you ready yet?
I'm so ready.
So they're changing the course over to the championship course from qualifying, which is really cool. So we're all stepping out to go for a quick rip, and I've got to ride in like literally the world's worst Uber. It's small, it's cramped, the ride is super uncomfortable, and my driver's a little crazy.
Just a little bit.
You're supposed to look with me, so I'm not like just like,
Hi!
So this is not the spot that we were originally intending to go to. We went there and we didn't like it, so we're gonna go fly there instead, and it should be great.
Gang, 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 gang.
Gang or gaggle. It's a nice break from the racing. It's not like super Boston or anything, but you know, can't complain about a good tree spot like that. Cool, hope that footage was good. Let's get back to the race, keep going.
If you think you're a pro, you probably are. So now our championship course, this is going to be a blast. We've got $350 for the sportsman. We've got $1,000 for first place on the pro level race. Now above and beyond that, we've got a bunch of prizes.
So we did practice earlier. I ran some okay laps. I managed to really mess up on a couple of them. Like I actually skipped a big portion of the course. So I'm a little bit unconfident because of that. Our sportsman class has one more heat and then we're going into the pros. So there's been this like 14 heat break between when we did our practice and when we're going out to fly immediately into double elimination. So I'm a little bit nervous about my first heat. There's a guy in here called Otter who's super fast. And I'm coming. We're all coming in cold, so I'm hoping that I can kind of, you know, I gotta amp myself up a little bit. Let's get it going. Woo! Okay, one heat down, stuck to my strategy. I got out front and I made others make mistakes trying to catch up with me. Once there was a little bit of chaos, I just slowed down and made sure that I continually, cleanly kept putting in laps. And so that puts me in the winner's bracket, a bump up to the 6th race. No losses on my record yet, I love it. Let's keep going. All right, so I'm just reviewing live FPV and it turns out that next heat I have to 1v1 the, not the top qualifier, the second to top qualifier for the entire race, for just like flat out heads up races. Luckily, neither of us are going to get eliminated except for him.
Oh boy, you did.
But if either of us wins, we go to heat 11,
yes.
Which means that that'll be a semifinal round for us. Mm-hmm. So we bump into finals after that. So It's actually a pretty crucial little step here, this quarterfinal. I'm looking forward to battling it out 1v1.
Yeah, for sure.
Good luck.
Let's do it.
Currently doing a DVR review. We start with both of them on the start line, back off through the middle section. Oh, Awful big tip. Hopefully, oh, I think it might be in the net. I saw it move. One more lap in there. Call it practice if you want. Or you can call it the rest of the consolation lap.
Whoa!
Race number 11. You can sit on a couple.
But a good race, boys.
Just stay confident. Got him right off the block. Pushed it all the way around the course. Didn't do anything too aggressive or slow or anything. Just flew my race. Got around and won. Let's keep going.
Like when we're doing bracket races, I try to just rely on the mental game.
Right.
And like, I can't do that with you.
Sometimes you can get in his head, sometimes you can't. So just like I was worried about, because I practiced the course wrong, I skipped a gate. Like I just blanked out. I was in the lead and skipped a gate, and I bumped myself out of the winner's bracket. Like if I had not done that, I would have won that heat and I would have been straight to championships. So now I moved into another semifinal, the loser bracket semifinal, and I've got to win there again to move forward. So like, God, it's so stupid. Like I'm out in the lead, I've got the victory. It's easy, it's a cakewalk from that point, and I just go for the wrong gate because I totally blanked out. Like, God dang it. He had already crashed, like, so the race was over and I gave it to him. Okay, so that's not the end of the world. You know, I can reset. I'm gonna win the semifinals, and that means I'm gonna come into the final race hot, like ready to go. So maybe it's gonna be an advantage, I don't know. So this semifinal is a race of 3 and 2 advance. So I only have to beat one of the other 2 pilots. One of them is Soren, is extremely fast. The other one is Punk Kills, who has worked his way through the entire bracket, so he's hot, he's ready to go. So I just gotta fly my race. I know that I'm faster. I gotta just be fast and keep going.
These are 2 still up right now. Fat Kid and Nerd. Getting their head-to-head race. There it is, Nerd. Bring it in. All done, all through.
With that, I move into finals. That's a
Man, think
guaranteed
about the
podium.
I could buy with $1,000. Oh.
I move onto the podium, certainly. But I have to beat a bunch of kids. Gosh, now I've totally lost my chain of thought. Thanks. Thanks, appreciate that.
We're looking for our amateur.
To the senior citizens of FPV racing, you're donating? Okay, cool. We're good. Never mind. I'm going home. We're running Chase the Ace, which means I have to win twice to win. But that also means that if any of the other 2 win, that means I get another chance to keep going. 3v3, heads up racing. 1, 2, 3, we're deciding the podium. Let's get it done.
Bracket number 14 of our Boston Warehouse Racing Series. We're live on the tone in less than 5. We got back in the net right now. But it doesn't keep moving anywhere. Got these net battled out.
We're going to be in first. Nerd in second.
You can put up the first lap, but second ahead of Nerd at this point. It's a tight race. These are right on top of each other. Either one gives anyone slack, they're not going to get it back.
Nerd in second.
It's a pretty amazing race. Both of the streams do that back up from our middle gate. That's almost like to the T, the exact same time. We're talking 3rd lap. Oh, they're top of the bill. He's been working on his 3rd lap, I want his 4th lap. Nerd gets 3, he's up and around. He's up on, got a little bit of space in front of him. Working on his 5th lap right now. Could be, oh, he gets a dinger. Upside down and out. That's Nerd's first win.
Nerd is first and right down with the 5.
There it is. Let's go! We're doing it again. He could have been any closer. He's in there for perfect. Yeah! You two like 2 peas in a pod. It was the
Oh, that was so close, man. Great run. That was the best race of the whole series. Back and forth, whole race with Ethan. Woo! Holy. Gotta get another battery. Because now I gotta defend the ace title. Putting a battery on.
Have a good night, David. Thank you again for everything.
It's just a battery.
I hate royalty-free music. Ooh, there's two on the top there. Maybe see that thing moving around. A little more rubby. You know they say if we're not rubbing, it's not racing. Oh, there's a paper wall going upside down. You can still be in it though. There's that up and moving, but no props down there with the biplane. I don't know if you can hear that on the right. He's upside down. That'll do it for him there. Oh, and there's this upside down backwards on the ground.
Dumb crash. We're good. Okay, we're still in it. Soren won one. I won one. Ethan hasn't won one yet, so if either Soren and I win, it's over. And if Ethan wins, then we're going into another heads-up race. I can't make this up. It's so fun.
On the tone, less than 5. Oh, there's upside down. Keeping his back where it's still going. Oh, we're going to be able to get up from that. Just got goggles up right now. Back and over and around. There it is. Ethan takes first.
All right, so as we feared, we each got one. I didn't manage to get it, so now me, Ethan, and Soren are all battling for this final race. It's all down to this. Let's do it.
Thumbs up for a good video coming. I see 3 thumbs. We're going live on the tone in less than 5. We'll take on the start, but it's still going. Oh, Ethan takes a hard hit. It goes upside down. He's still up and moving though. Patrick is upside down as well. He can't get up and move. Nerd's out in front right now. He's right behind him.
Nerd in first. FPV in second.
He's just trying to catch up and Nerd make up that time. See, Nerd can even put FPV there.
Nerd in third. Nerd in first. FPV in second.
Patrick working on this. Second lap. Ethan and Nerd both working on the third.
Nerd in first.
Oh, Ethan upside down and out. All throwing all 2 for Ethan. We got Nerd and Patrick battling out for second and first. Good job, Ethan.
Nerd in first.
Oh, we got Patrick up, down, and around. Upside down. He took a hard hit. Let's see if Nerd can finish it up here before he gets up. Nerd's working on his 5th lap right now. We're about to see Nerd take us home. And there it is, gentlemen.
Lap 133.5 is all.
Good job. There it is. All done, all through. TCAs. That's it.
This is like a Celtics basketball win.
Take it easy.
Like a Celtics basketball win, you get the net and all.
Yeah, buddy. Yes! That was awesome. Thanks for flying. It's the best battle I've had in a long time, honestly. Yeah, it was fun. All right, guys. Thank you.
All right, so here we are. Now we're on to our first place. World Class Champions 2018.